Hello, my name is John Fergus Oliveira, and today I'm going to talk about genotype and phenotype. If you're wondering what those even mean, well, the answer is very simple. Well, genotype refers to how the DNA is. Just how it is. The expression on how it should be built and how it should look. And the phenotype is just how the DNA expresses itself. Now, you may be wondering if those should be the same, but, well, they really are. The reason for that is because, well, the DNA here can express itself in many different phenotypes. Though it wouldn't change, as in its language wouldn't change, your actual DNA wouldn't change, but what genes are expressed, what are active or not active, what are hidden or just being extremely influential, those may change. In other words, while the DNA may not actually change, the way it is interpreted, your body understands it and defines it, may be different. You will understand the code of the DNA, the language of the DNA, under different contexts. And that can happen. The reason for that is mostly the environment. You see, the environment may affect your DNA a lot, or its expression a lot. Not how actually it's built, but its general expression, it can change a lot. Its phenotype can change a lot. A good example of that could be using a human. You see, in a human, when it has a bunch of sunny days, the light in your body, after your body darkening out the light, certain genes will become more active. You start producing more melatonin, a little darker substance that absorbs the sunlight and protect the actually important parts in your body from actually getting it and gaining cancer on other dangerous things that the sunlight can affect your body, because it actually does a lot of damage even beyond cancer, if you did not know that. In other words, depending on the environment, your body can develop characteristics to deal with it, but that's not all. In this case, it's a more inactive thing, a change that your body expects. It activates certain genes because they are needed, and deactivates certain genes because, well, they are not needed. You won't be producing melatonin all the time because that wastes energy. It's just the material in your food to produce substance and all that. So you won't activate all those things all the time, keep producing them. And why they might change, she thinks they should expect to just be defined, like skin color and even the tone of her eyes. Those things here aren't exactly changing permanently, In fact, you can notice it, but they actually can do that in other occasions. In fact, depending on your diets and substances that you consume, certain genotypes may take it as a cue to but certain genes may take that as a cue to be activated or deactivated. Even with substance that your own brain produces that it usually interprets as emotions, but sometimes not, could define how certain genes express. It could, I don't know, turn a gene on that should make you more predisposed to some, I don't know, depression or some mental incapabilities or physical incapabilities on. So if that substance is activated, something may go on in your body, in your mind, and everything else. In general, it can affect you very badly if you just keep producing more stress or something else, which may further break you if certain pieces activate here, In other scenarios, that can also happen. For example, even basic behaviors or just a caring mother may cause someone else to be a caring parent, And you may be saying that, oh, that information in the brain, but in a more instinctual level, instinctional level, that also changes. You see, depending how people interact with you and how the environment interacts with you and how you interact with the environment, your gene expression may change. Beyond the sun, beyond all those basic things that you'd expect, something more permanent may change, in your behavior. Your own very sense of self, it may change. Not completely. Not completely because our behavior is both determined by the DNA and the initial instincts and all that is for the DNA. Those might change too. But most of the content is actually built on experiences, so that also helps. But a chunk of that is actually the final DNA. Experiments brought show that, depending of the treatment of the mother with this child, that may change. Even if the child originally, you swap the children of the mothers, the result being that, wow, even the child from the mother and the whole generational line, the ones who have been kind and good mothers, end up becoming good parents when they want to the other side because of the treatment. They just replicate that behavior, and later on try to show that even their DNA, not the DNA itself, but what parts were activated or dormant, so just completely change. It also changes behind behavior and just basic things like, oh, your skin tone, you can change your even skull shape or what types of hair develop in your body. It's way more influential than you may be thinking. You can look completely different, like different person, not like minor skin tone changes or eyes or even hair. Your skull could change shape. If you just took two copies of you and give them completely different behaviors. That's how much this affects you. In other words, genotype, it defines you. Just general basis, and phenotype, just how that's expressed.